We'll look at the tech, the design, and what these cars say about the future of driving. The next chapter of luxury mobility is about to begin. Let's dive in. Let's start with BMW, a brand that's been synonymous with driving pleasure and engineering excellence for decades. Now, they're setting their sights on the future of mobility with a bold new vision. BMW is going all in on their Neue Klasse platform, a complete reinvention of their electric vehicle strategy that's set to redefine what we expect from the brand. Neue Klasse isn't just a new car, it's a new era, representing a leap forward in design, technology, and sustainability. The first flagships of this revolution are the iX3 and the i7, both engineered from the ground up as pure electric vehicles. These aren't just adaptations of existing models, they're purpose-built to showcase BMW's next-generation EV capabilities. The iX3 is designed to be a volume seller, but it doesn't compromise on performance. With dual motors delivering 463 horsepower and a targeted 400-mile range, it's as practical as it is thrilling. Whether you're commuting or road tripping, the iX3 promises a seamless electric experience. Thanks to cutting-edge battery chemistry and an advanced 800-volt architecture, charging is faster than ever. You can add 300 kilometers of range in just 10 minutes, so long journeys are no longer a challenge, but an invitation to explore. The i7, meanwhile, takes luxury and innovation to the next level. With over 544 horsepower, up to 625 kilometers of range, and an interior packed with the latest tech, it's a true flagship for the electric age. Every detail is crafted for comfort, elegance, and a sense of occasion. The showstopper, a massive 31-inch 8K theater screen in the rear, transforming the backseat into a private cinema on wheels. Whether you're watching movies or joining a video call, it's an experience unlike anything else in the segment.